I was just in that building, and it had Otis pop out. And there's a bunny rabbit. But we'll see what's in here. Looks like a TK. What the heck? Look at the escutcheon hole. It's got a key. I wonder if a lot of college kids were surfing this. Also, we're on 3. This looks like it was some sort of mod. I'm not sure. Let's go down to 2. I think this is a traction elevator.
2nd floor.
Apparently with short bit depth. Let's go up to 7. That's loud. Here we go. You can see me in the reflection.
Seventh floor.
Back down to 2. All right, there's your panel. Oh, there's the certificate. All right, anyway. Oh, this is a new mod. It's got the 3D sensor. So I wonder what this is supposed to be. Can you see the cables? Let's see. I wonder what this is. Anyway, that